I told you. Me with you is a love. Yeah.
Me with me.
The love is
You mean that you love me?
I can kill all the people.
Even me, I love you so much.
People are making crap.
You're going to kill people.
Because of you.
Because of
you
me.
know love. Now your love, I feel it in the intestines.
Intestines?
Yeah, it has gone. Yeah, it has gone in the fist.
Hey, babe.
No njiwulira wala. Nze nkwagala. Chovola akwatako yenna ayinza okukolako ekintu kyonna. I kill.
You kill him.
Nze nfuuka kimenke. Yeah. Chovola nawe wekukwatako ani tokyuka kyuka olikawa. Honey, don't cause that. Now we're causing a bomb. You know bomb?
Baby, now
you know, I feel bad. And I told you, you caused me a brief. Yeah, you caused me a brief. I feel a shake. Yeah, it's a milk. It's a milk shake.
What do you mean?
No, I feel all over the body. I don't know. I don't understand myself. But I promise. Mfana ye, me have nerves.
You're going to kill me.
I have nerves.
Because of me.
Honey, it's a phone of you.
Yes.
Oh, this is of a one I love.
No.
You said who? Honey, who is of a call?
My
Now, honey, listen. Today's the end of a date. Yeah. It's the end of a date. No, honey, I told you what? With this Kogo Sina Umzanyo. Honey, Sina, who is of a call?
No, baby.
Who is of a call?
Listen to me.
Now they're listening. Honey, who is of a call? I told you what? Honey, I told you what? Honey, I told you what? Honey, I told you.